this is the DJI OM4. Alright. Stabilizer, smartphone stabilizer. I'm going to use it for my future vlogs for this, but first we need to get rid of the plastic, so let's just try to open it up. Right, this is the pen knife that I have. This pen knife itself is actually about 20 years old because I use it since my stopping days, or rather some people know it as a cup for the Malay schools. Alright, and this is it. Alright, and then let's open it up. First we need to look for where the opening is. Right, then let's open it. Wow, okay. Create magnetic moments. Alright, so what's on here? Let's have a look, closer look. Well, it seems to be instructions how you can clip it to your smartphone, and then we also have how to turn it on and what apps to download and save it and whatnot. So let's try to open it up. Take moments. Wow. Okay. Right. So we have this. Okay. I think this is the back. Comes with it. But right. Right. Yeah, this is the back, so you can put it onto, you can put your DJI, OM4 inside here. Alright, and then this is the back thing. Okay, you will have a little string to actually put onto this. Alright, you have your alignment sticker, alright, to put it to your phone so that you can actually use it. Alright, comes with this. Right, your DJI small ring, I think. Right. Oh, that's how you take it up. Cool. Right. So put it on and then it sticks. So this is the magnet. Right. And then you have some stickers. Right. There's a sticker used to actually stick it to your phone. And this is to do with what you call the magnetic thing going on. Right, so the side, then we got this here, a whole lot of guidelines for the need, and this is the pure resistance. Alright, so you have your tripod, mini tripod, you have also your USB-C, alright, and then you also have this. Cool. Alright, and then you have your magnetic stuff here. Alright, I think next video we'll try to see how we can actually stick it into the thing. Okay. So let's just turn it on. Wow, look at the sound it makes. Alright, let's give it a go. Says I need to kind of charge it before anything goes on. Alright, that's it. So this is the unboxing of the DJI OM4. Thank you very much.